Today we will discuss about the nozzle governing of the steam turbine. Nozzle governing of steam turbine. In this type of governing, the steam is supplied to the different nozzle groups, or you can say set of groups, and these are suppose N1, N2 and N3 numbers, and this stream is controlled by uncovering as many stream passes as are necessary to meet the load by poppet value. The supply to these nozzle is controlled by the valves V1, V2 and V3. So now with the help of a diagram we can understand the working of nozzle governing of steam turbine. This is a circular passage through which set of nozzles are arranged. These are three set of nozzles, N1, N2 and N3. And this is the section for supplying the steam. N1 that is connected with this tank with the connecting pipe. N2 was also connected with this tank of steam supply, and N3 also connected with this tank. So here we can see three set of nozzles, N1, N2 and N3. These are connected with separate pipes with the section of tank. So this is the arrangement for valves. These are the three valves which are separately connected with the connecting pipe of the set of nozzles. These are V1, V2 and V3. This is the steam supply through these valves, and with the help of arrows we can see the direction of the steam supply through the three different set of nozzles. And with the help of this steam there is a turbine runner. The motion, the speed of the runner is controlled according to the load. So now we can see the working of this nozzle governing of steam turbine. As steam starts to flow, valves V1, V2 and V3 are open, and through these connecting pipes steam is going towards the set of nozzle N1, N2 and N3. And finally the turbine runner starts to rotate. So the speed of the runner that can be controlled with the supply of the stream, and as we can see when the speed on the turbine, that speed of the runner that is increasing when load on the turbine is decreased, and when load on the turbine is increased the speed of the turbine runner is increased. So to maintain the constant speed of the runner under the varying condition of the load on the turbine, we need to manage to control the supply of the steam through the valves V1, V2 and V3, and then through the set of nozzles. So according to the requirement of the load on the turbine, the supply of the steam through the set of nozzle with the help of valves V1, V2 and 3 that can be controlled. So this is the whole working of nozzle governing of steam turbine. But the nozzle control governing cannot be used for multi-stage impulse turbine due to small heat drop in first stage. So today we have learnt about the working of the nozzle governing and introduction of nozzle governing of steam turbine. Subscribe to get more updates and more video on mechanical topics and Universe 22. You may like, share among your students and friends. You can ask your queries by commenting. Give your suggestions if required. Thank you. Have a nice day.